How to play Minecraft on Oculus Quest 3. Minecraft isn't natively available on the Quest 3, so you can't just buy it from the Meta Store like other VR titles. The most popular way is by using a gaming PC. If you have Minecraft Java Edition, you'll need a mod called Vivecraft to make it VR ready. While the Bedrock Edition from the Microsoft Store already has VR support built in. From there, just connect your Quest 3 using a link cable for the most stable experience, or go wireless with AirLink or Virtual Desktop if you've got strong Wi-Fi. Now, if you don't have a PC, there is a workaround. Some players use a third-party port called QuestCraft, which basically brings a modded version of Minecraft Java Edition directly onto the headset. It's not official and it takes a bit more setup, but it does let you play Minecraft fully standalone on the Quest 3 without a computer. So whether you're linking through a PC or going the QuestCraft route, once you're in, exploring and building in VR makes Minecraft feel like a whole new game.